Hello, this is Sal. In today's video, we will continue talking about extended access control lists. Today, we will configure, apply, and verify an extended numbered access control list. In today's lab, devices on one LAN are allowed to remotely access devices in another LAN using Telnet protocol besides ICMP, but all other traffic from other network is denied Telnet. Now we will configure a policy where devices on the network of 10.1.1.0/24 is allowed to devices on the network of 192.168.1.0/24. And the ISMP is allowed from any source to any destination, but all other traffic is blocked. As you can see here on this network, we have router 1 here connected to 3 networks. We have the 3 switches, configured already the interfaces on the IP addresses on the interfaces, also configured the VLAN 1 on the switches, switch A, B, and C, and the default gateway for each switch, like for VLAN 1, the default gateway is 192.168.1.1 here, and for VLAN 1, for switch A is 192.168.1.1, and the same with the switch B. Now, I will be configuring an access list, extended access list 101, where only PCB here will be able to telnet to switch C on this side of the network, but switch A will not be able to telnet to switch C. But switch PCA and PCB will be able to ping switch C. So now on the router, I will configure the extended access list, enable, the password is Cisco, I configure terminal access list 101, extended access list. I want to permit the TCP from the network of 10.1.1.0 with the inverse subnet mask of this. We want to allow it to the switch C, or to the network of 192.168.1.0 with the inverse subnet mask of 0000255. And here we want to allow equal to either we put the port number for telnet or simply just type telnet. Now, after we configure telnet, now to configure ICMP from any source to any destination. So we start the command with access list 101. We want to permit ICMP from any host to any destination. By default, all other traffic is denied, implicit denied. Now, the known rule is to place extended access list close to the source. But in this case, we have two sources. We have a source from this network here and this network here to ICMP to the network on this side. But only this network here is allowed to telnet. So usually we will place the extended access list close to the source, so we cannot place it on both sides here. So we will place it on this interface, and it will be outbound. Here, so on router 1, interface gig 02, IP access group, and it is 101, and the outbound packet will choose out. Now let us verify what we did here from PCB on this side here. I will ping from PCB to the switch of 192.168.1.3. and we receive the reply. Also from PCB, let me ping the PCA 172.16.1.2. And the ping was successful. I will telnet now from PCB to the switch. From here to the switch, telnet, and the IP address of 192.168.1.3, and the password of Cisco, enable, and Cisco. So we are able to telnet from PCB to the switch. Now on PCA, from here, I will ping a PCB, which is on the IP address of 1.1.1.2, and we receive the reply. And I will see if I can also ping PCC, which we are allowed to, but let us give it a try. 192.168.1.3. But we are allowed to ping, but are we allowed to telnet? So I'll try to telnet from PCA. Telnet to the switch of 192.168.1.3, and it is trying, and we will not be able to. Now, the access list or the policy we configured was, we have the switch here, switch C. From PCA and from PCB, we are allowed to ping the switch C. Only we are allowed to telnet from PCB here to the switch. But as you noticed, we tried to telnet from PCA, and it told us that it failed. It did not allow us to telnet. But there is a way around this by telnetting from PCA to switch B, and then while it's still in switch B, we can telnet to switch C. So from PCA, I will telnet to PCB, switch B on 110.1.1.3, and the password of Cisco, enable, also Cisco. Now we are telnetting from PCA to switch B. So I will telnet again while I'm still on switch B to switch C to see if we will be able to telnet to 192.168.1.3, and we are able to. Cisco, and enable, and Cisco. So in this case, this is a way around it. But how to really prevent us from doing this for a security measure, instead of placing the policy here on the gig 02, we could have placed it on the gigabit Ethernet 00, and we will not be able to telnet in a sneaky way from PCA to PCB and then to the switch. I hope in today's video that you learned something. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it, and give me the thumb up, and I'll see you soon in my next video. I wish you a nice day. Thank you.